Need to save a video but don't know how? I'll show you a safe and free way to download videos legally. Let's get straight to it. Go to that website Save from Net. Find the video you want to download online and copy its link for this demo. I've copied a free sample video from a site like Mixkit. Here you can, this totally free for download. Please take care of this section. Don't use other content without their permission. Go back to the downloader website, paste the video link into the box, and click the download button. Choose your preferred quality and format, and your download will begin. This service is free, but please use it responsibly. Only download content you own or have explicit permission to use. Never use someone else's creative work without authorization. And that's the process for downloading videos using that tool. If this guide helped you, please like this video. It helps others find it too. A very important reminder: only download videos you have permission to use. Respect copyright and the creator's hard work. For your convenience, I've linked the website mentioned directly in the description below. My website link. Subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.